In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Meta Quest 2 headset. If you run into problems while using your Meta Quest 2, or if you want to erase your data from your headset, you can perform a factory reset. This will remove all information from the headset and return the device to its original software state. If you have cloud backup turned on, your in-game progress and settings will be saved for any cloud-enabled apps. There are two different ways to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset using your headset, start by turning off your headset. Next, hold down the power and volume down buttons at the same time until the boot screen loads on your headset. Use the volume buttons on your headset to navigate the boot menu. Highlight Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Highlight Yes and press the power button. This will initiate the factory reset. To perform a factory reset using the Meta Quest mobile app, start by opening the Meta Quest mobile app on your phone. Tap the bottom menu. Tap Devices. Tap the headset that you want to factory reset. Tap Advanced Settings. Tap Factory Reset. Tap Reset. This will initiate the factory reset. Keep in mind, performing a factory reset is irreversible and will remove all account information, downloaded games, and content from the headset. Performing a factory reset on your headset won't remove content you've purchased from your Quest account. For more information, please visit store.meta.com/help.